Tired of pet hair all over your clothes, couch, and floors? Say hello to the Pet Hair Remover Glove. It gently removes loose fur while giving your pet a relaxing massage. Perfect for cats, dogs, even rabbits. Easy to use, washable, and fits any hand. Grooming just got easier and a lot more fun. Get yours today at accessorieslife.com.